Good morning, grade 10s. This morning we're going to start with a study of trigonometry, which in essence is the measurement of triangles. So the first type of triangle we are going to look at, which we're going to work with, is the right angle triangle. Now let's say we have triangle ABC, and at C we have this angle which we call theta. Theta is a letter of the Greek alphabet. Now in relation to theta, if we look at the triangle, we can say that the side opposite the right angle is what we know as the hypotenuse. Okay, then the side opposite this angle theta, we are going to call our opposite side. And the side next to this angle theta, BC, we are going to call, instead of next to, we're going to use the word adjacent. Okay, now we have three trig, what we call trig functions, and they are sine, cos, and tan. And what we're going to do is that sine is defined as the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cos is the adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. Now, in order to remember that, I like to remember a little rhyme, which is oh heck, another hour of algebra. So either learn that one or find yourself another one that you can use. Okay, let's look at a second triangle, triangle PQR. And in this triangle, the right angle is here at Q, so the side opposite the right angle is what we call our hypotenuse. Okay, I'm shortening it to HYP. Now, sometimes in trig, we also refer to this side, instead of calling it PR, we're going to call it a little q, because it's opposite the big angle Q. And then if we go and have a look at the side next to this one, this is going to be our adjacent side, ADJ, and it can be referred to as a little r. And then we have the other side in the triangle, which is opposite the angle, and it is referred to as the opposite side. And because it is opposite P, we can refer to it as little p. So let's have a look at what would sine P be. Remember, sine P from up here is opposite. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So that is going to be QR over PR, which I can also write as P over Q. Then I'm going to look at the cos of P, and the cos of P, cos is adjacent, so adjacent is going to be PQ over hypotenuse is PR, and that is then going to be R over Q. I'm then going to look at the tan of P, and tan, remember, is opposite over adjacent, so my opposite is going to be QR over adjacent, which is PQ. And that is going to give me P over R. And that's all we're going to learn today.